Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, we have a deal for 99-cent Kit Kat cones over at Walgreens. I would recommend to do this deal in store to see what your store specifically has. And sometimes when you put a curbside order in with this frozen stuff, some stores will allow it, some won't. Some will just put it in the back of the freezer. So when you go to pick up your order, you could be waiting a little bit. So it is just so much easier to do this deal in store. And it's today only, which is the 17th, as it's kind of lining up with a couple rebate apps that are expiring today, which is the 17th. If you could do me a huge kindness before we get into the specifics of this deal and give this video a big old thumbs up, it would really help me out and the channel. If you could take a quick second and like the video, I would be so grateful. So in store at Walgreens, in the freezer section, we have these 4 counts of the Kit Kat cones. Little bit of alliteration there. They're $5.99 on a buy one, get one free. So one you're going to pay for, the second one is free. And this is where it lines up quite beautifully. IBOTTA is giving back 75 cents per box. So if you grab 4 of them, that is going to be $3 back, which is fantastic. I know there's another rebate at specific stores, but it's for the 8 count. It's $1 back, but for these smaller ones, there it is. And if you were going to use like, there are no manufacturer coupons and there are no regulations with this, but you could definitely use your Walgreens cash. Don't be shy. Or you could also use like a register rewards. There's no like, you can't use anything. So over on another rebate app that I don't really talk about a lot, it's called Checkout 51. They have $1.25 back for each. So that'll be $5. And those cones are there and the limit is up to 5 times. If you look, I think it's like the second or third bar I saw. Kit Kat cones, comma, there it is. So you can apply for this. A lot of people have been applying for this successfully. And I know Swagbucks has a similar one, but I think Checkout 51 and Swagbucks are a very similar app. So you might only get one, but not the second one. But if you want to apply for both, I think the rebate is $5 on each app. I'm not sure how that works. I'm not a Swagbucks user. So here's the math for this one. If you can track down 4 of these boxes, it's $11.98. You're going to get $3 back from IBOTTA, $5 back from Checkout 51. So it's $3.98 for the 4 boxes, or 99 cents per box. And again, as I stated, with the Checkout 51 rebate, it expires today, which is the 17th. I still see it populated in the rebate app. So it might actually reset tomorrow, which is the 18th. So if you redo the deal again on the 18th, you know, possibly you can do this deal twice and get a whole bunch of these ice cream cones. But today's the day to do it. So I would get out there and run. And if you might have any Walgreens cash or register rewards to throw into this, by all means, go for it. And if you live in a really hot climate, say you're in California or Texas, I know a lot of people carry around like a little cooler ice chest in the back. If these melt or not, it's always wise to have that, because whenever I'm buying frozen food and it's like 80 degrees, I always have one in the back, and I try to keep everything super cool. But that's another thing to consider too, that if you're going to go to like Walgreens and a whole bunch of other stores, you're picking up ice cream, it might melt, so just be prepared. But yeah, I would totally do this deal if you can, and hopefully you can track down all 4. And if you can only do 2, you would get $1.50 back for IBOTTA, and then $2.50 back from Checkout 51. Also this morning, which is Wednesday, July the 17th, 2 little boosters showed up in the old Walgreens digital coupons folder. Find these at the very top. We have a 10 back when you spend 50. This is for next week, so the 21st to the 26th. And the bottom one is buy 2 selected Pampers, get $4 in Walgreens cash back. This is an online only deal. So as the other one is expiring, the 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G, this one's populating. So quite interesting. It's going to make an excellent curbside deal. I would definitely go and load these right away. While you're in the store looking around for those Kit Kat cones, I would definitely look at some of the clearance. A lot of stores around me, ton of stuff up to 90% off. I would check it out. I made a video yesterday where, I'm showing a lot of orange tagged items and items, where to find them in the store. You might want to check out this video. I'll link it right here. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.